Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see together how to permanently remove your Google account from your Android phone. So let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open settings and then scroll down until you find Google. Here it is, tap on it. Once you're here, tap on manage Google account. Tap on data and privacy. From here, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on delete your Google account. Fill in your password and then tap on next. Once you're here, just scroll down and tap on the text next to these texts or conditions. Once you do that, tap on delete on the bottom right corner and your account will be deleted permanently. And that's how we do, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.